This is a brief comparison of two Nikon F-mount manual focus 28mm lenses. One is the Nikkor f2.8 and the other is the Zeiss Distagon f2.0. The photos in the slideshow are JPEGs and were all shot at f5.6 ISO 400. The camera used was a Nikon DF, which has one of the best sensors ever made. Both lenses are made in Japan and are high-quality photographic tools, which should last for decades. Both are pleasant to use. The Nikkor weighs 254 grams and costs $539. The Zeiss weighs 502 grams and costs $1,283. This includes a nice, reversible metal lens shade. In addition, the aperture can be controlled by the camera. I have always found the 35mm lens frustrating. It has too much distortion for my taste, but does not have a wide enough angle to recommend it as an alternative to a 50mm. That said, the 35mm is a classic lens and many great and famous photographs have been taken with it. I have found that a 28mm lens is a good complement to a 50mm lens. 28mm is wide enough to be useful when the 50mm is too tight, and it does not distort much more than a 35mm. In looking at the photos, the Zeiss appears noticeably better. The photos taken with the Zeiss have more clarity, which suggests that the contrast is better. In addition, the color rendition is better. In fact, the photos taken with the Nikkor seem to have a slight gray cast. That said, the Nikkor is an excellent lens. In addition, it is half the weight and less than half the cost of the Zeiss. It uses a 52mm filter, which means it fits with a Nikon manual lens kit. Also, the weight is so low, a traveler can comfortably expand his kit with the Nikkor 20mm f2.8. Either lens would be a welcome addition to any Nikon kit. If price and weight are not of concern, the Zeiss appears to be the better of the two.